Today we are talking about how to create an example device in ProptechOS. Start by selecting the building on the map where you want to create an example device. Once you've done that, click on Rooms to filter out all the rooms in that building. Next, select the room where you want to create your example device. Now it's time to create your device. To get started, please provide a name for your new device. This will help you find it later on. You can also add a formal or technical designation for the device if you'd like, using the litera field. For this example, please select Data Acquisition as the device function type. When you're ready, click the Create button to submit the form and create your device. If you need additional assistance, feel free to contact us via email, support@proptechos.com. Thanks for watching.